So got some parts in today, so we'll get this fixed real quick and get out on the track. We're also going to be going to retro rehome, so maybe I'll get some video in there. We'll see. So I don't know if you remember, but during the review process, or the first week or so, one of the dog bones broke. So I ordered from 3 different companies. One was a metal set, one was a full set of front and back, one was just a back set, just to see who'd get here first. It's been 12 days. It's the only one that made it in the time from China. So I'll link in the description because their shipping was right and the other two were not. Not that they're bad parts, but they're all the same parts. So this will be a quick bloop, you know, put it in and take it out. All you got to do for this is you take your shock tower off here and the one collar for your swing arm and fold down and pop back in. So I'm not sure. I'll be right back with it buttoned up and do the old. So that was fast. Anyway, these, one thing I wanted to say, these pieces, the CV joints and the dog bones and the collars, I believe they're the same as the EC30. I'll confirm that later, but that's yeah, it's all set and ready to go now. Love this little rig. And I got a couple other 16s coming, and we'll get little races going. My track's perfect for these 16s, I think. That's my opinion. Anyways, if I can get the body on her. There we go. All right, let's get her outside and get ripping. Well, we're gonna get her out and rip her on the track. We got the Gantry JT16102. Just after repairing her, the T-bone broke, or dog bone broke. Daughter's grabbing batteries real quick. This week looks like it's gonna rain every day about 2 o'clock. So hopefully I'll sneak a few videos in here and there. But yeah, let's get her rolling. All right. Forgot to put the clips on. It's kind of important. Now this thing loses clips like crazy. I think I've lost like 6 clips on this, and we've only run it like 3 times. Got to find a better clip for it. Grass is kind of thick, especially after the rain. She bounces. Yeah, definitely need to upgrade the shocks on this thing. Go put her on before we break it again. Is it locked up? That thing flies. Oops. Yeah, wet grass is just slipping. They're so bouncy. The thing just like that, it just launches, you know? That was a good one. Tumble wumble. The upgrade went good. He's
Bunch of ripping you just saw. One thing I gotta say, probably might even be in while I was talking, the biggest problem with this thing is its suspension. So if you get suspension right, it might turn better, so the servo won't be such a pain. It is wet out because it's been raining all week, so the grass is slippy, so the steering sucks to begin with. So I'm trying not to hold that against it, but this thing is so fun. Even with the first time we run it with all the jumps, last time we had it out, it was just barely the corner and whatnot. So it's running real good. I think we're gonna start upgrading it now. This is stock, obviously. So now I'm gonna be putting in some kind of suspension, probably WL, and then I'll just see if the servo's needed. I'm gonna have a couple extra WL metal upgrades, so we'll see. Maybe I'll pop one of those in. Anyways, hope you liked. It's not too long a video. Like and subscribe and all that. We're well on our way. We're almost at our 3-month marker. Tomorrow's our 3-month day. I'll probably do a special vid for that. Yeah. All right. Keep ripping. Burp.